essentially to change any of the menus such as the layout, you start with the engine off, and you just make sure that the lights are turned off. So just your light switch there, turned off. Okay, to access the menu, turn the vehicle on and toggle the lights switch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that will then bring up a menu here. Now you do that as soon as the splash screen shows, and then you can change your layout, and I'll change it to large for the moment, and you just toggle it once and you leave it. And now large layout set, and you'll see that it's now in a large layout, and that's larger than the original. All right, so I'll show you again from here. This time I'll change the logo. So essentially turn it on, wait for the splash screen to turn on, flick it 3 times the lights. It'll give you the option of layout. This time I want to change the logo on, so I toggle it twice and leave it. It'll then jump into the menu, and I'll go Alfa. I'll change it to the Alfa logo for the moment, and I'll just leave it there. And then it'll essentially just say logo saved. And now when I turn it off and turn it back on, it'll open up with the Alfa logo. So as I said, to enter the menu at any stage, you just toggle the lights 3 times during the splash screen. And as I said, just wait for the menu to time out. So